By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a complete, repeatable Trello onboarding board from scratch, step by step. Trello is one of the most flexible project management tools out there, and when you set it up the right way, it turns chaotic new hire logistics into a smooth, automated pipeline that anyone on your team can follow. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, we need to lay the foundation by creating a dedicated board for your onboarding workflow. Log into your Trello workspace and look for the plus icon, usually in the top navigation bar or on the left sidebar. Click that Select Create Board and give it a clear, descriptive name like Team Onboarding. Now, a blank board is just a blank canvas, so we need to structure it into a step-by-step pipeline that mirrors the actual journey a new hire will take. Start by adding your first list and call it Preparation or Pre-Onboarding. This is where you'll collect everything that needs to happen before day one: ThinkIT setup, welcome emails, and paperwork. Next, create a list called First Day. This holds orientation tasks, software logins, and team introductions. Then add a list for First Week, which covers role-specific training, mentor check-ins, and goal setting. After that, a list for First 30 days or First Month for early deliverables, check-ins, and policy reviews. Finally, create a list called Completed. This is where the card will live once the entire onboarding process is done. The beauty of this pipeline is that it forces clarity. Instead of relying on memory or scattered emails, you and your new hire can see exactly where they are in the process at a glance. A best practice here is to keep your list names action-oriented and consistent across every board you build so your team always knows what to expect. With your pipeline in place, the next step is to standardize the actual onboarding cards so you never have to reinvent the wheel for each new hire. Create a single card titled something like Template New Hire. This will be your master copy. Open the card and let's build out checklists. Click the checklist button on the card's right side and add a checklist called HR Paperwork with items like Complete I-9, Sign Benefits Enrollment, and Review Employee Handbook. Add another checklist called IT and Equipment with items like Laptop Assigned, Email Setup, and VPN Credentials Delivered. Then add one more called Company Culture with items like Review Mission Statement, Schedule Team Lunch, and Attend All Hands Meeting. Once you've built out those checklists, convert this card into a template. On the card's back, look for the Make Template option, usually under the Actions menu or in the card's settings. When you do that, a small template icon will appear on the card, and you'll be able to duplicate it instantly for every new team member. This is a huge time saver because it ensures each new hire gets the same thorough experience and nothing gets missed. Now, attach your resources directly to the card. Click the attachment button and upload your policy PDFs, handbooks, and any direct links to company documentation. Think of this card as the single source of truth for that employee's entire onboarding journey. A common pitfall here is keeping attachments outside of Trello, forcing people to hunt down files in folders or email threads. By attaching everything directly, you keep it frictionless. Also, remember to label the card with the new hire's name once you duplicate it so you can easily search for it later. Finally, let's bring visual clarity and accountability to your board with labels and member assignments. Click the Labels button at the top of your board and create a color-coded system. For example, set a green label for Active to show that a task is moving forward smoothly. Create a yellow label for Needs Attention so you can flag cards that are stuck or require a quick decision. Then add a red label for Pending, specifically for IT equipment or missing paperwork that is blocking progress. You can also create department labels like Marketing, Tech, or Sales, so at a glance your HR team knows which group this new hire belongs to. Once your labels are ready, assign the right people to each card. Click the Members button on a card and add the new hire themselves, their direct manager, and their peer mentor. When you assign someone, they receive a notification, so everyone stays in the loop without needing to chase down status updates. This turns your board from a passive checklist into an active collaboration tool. A best practice here is to teach your team to use the label filter at the top of the board. If you click the filter button and select only yellow labels, you can instantly see every card that needs attention, making it easy to prioritize your day. You've now built a complete, repeatable Trello onboarding workflow that standardizes your process, organizes resources, and keeps everyone accountable. By taking the time to set up templates and color-coded labels, you save yourself hours of manual work with every new hire and ensure a consistent, welcoming experience for everyone who joins your team. As a next step, I'd encourage you to test the board with one real or pretend new hire, walk through each checklist, and adjust the list names or attachments based on what you discover. And if you ever want to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or bookmark the board you just created. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.